In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a bedroom in Cinema 4D using the Set Designer plugin. We'll start by building the shell of the room with the plugin's parametric objects. Open your scene and add a Set Designer room element for the walls, floor, and ceiling. Work in real-world scale so your dimensions make sense later when you place furniture. Set the room's length, width, and wall height in the object's parameters, and choose a wall thickness that feels believable. Turn on snapping or the grid to keep everything square, and use the on-screen handles to adjust walls interactively. Now, add doors and windows from the plugin's library. Place a door where circulation makes sense, then set its width and swing direction. For windows, match the sill and head heights you'd expect in a bedroom, and center them along a wall if you want a symmetrical look. Keep an eye on clearances so furniture has room to live comfortably without blocking openings. With the architecture set, it's time to furnish. Drop in a bed first to anchor the layout, then follow with a dresser and a desk. Position the bed where it has a strong focal presence and enough walkway around it. Tuck the dresser on a solid wall, and consider placing the desk near the window for natural daylight. Adjust each object's coordinates precisely in the Attributes panel to keep things tidy. Now customize materials. Assign simple readable shaders to start, soft textiles for bedding, a low-gloss wood for furniture, and a slightly satin paint for walls. Keep reflections subtle. Overly shiny surfaces can make the scene look artificial. Check texture scale so wood grain and fabric weave appear realistic. If a material stretches, tweak UV settings or use cubic projection for quick fixes. Add small tonal variations to avoid a flat, uniform look. Finally, add a camera to frame your scene. Create a camera object, look through it, and set the height around eye level so the space feels natural. Adjust the focal length to suit the room. A modest wide angle, around 28 to 35 millimeters, usually captures a bedroom without heavy distortion. Nudge the camera position to avoid cutting through furniture and to keep vertical lines straight. Use the safe frame or composition guides to balance the bed and key elements in your shot. Once the view feels solid, lock the camera to prevent accidental moves. At this point, your bedroom scene is framed and ready for rendering, with clean geometry, thoughtful materials, and a camera that tells a clear visual story.